Isa sa mga ayaw ko sa trabaho ko. What if may mumu dyan? Ooh, anyway.
So we are ready. Outfit check. Simply lang, comfy. Choose your shades. Make sure your hair is okay. And I always bring 2 bags. Isa to carry everything and the other one kapag pupunta na ako sa site para nasa ko lang chest. Takes me around 45 minutes pumunta sa work. Minsan guys, 1 oras pa nga, depende sa traffic. At every Tuesday, we have a mandatory meeting na dapat nandoon kaming lahat. Dahil wala lang, gusto lang kaming makita ni boss. As you can see, napaka-empty ng Tesco kasi palagi kaming nasa site or nasa site visit or minsan work from home. And someone said hi, so I had to stop the video. So ayan, tapos na yung meeting natin. Pupunta naman tayo sa isang site visit. Tada! We're getting ready. Napakainit, kaya I took off my jacket. And we are here.
Alam niyo ba, ang isa sa mga ayaw ko sa trabaho ko is when you have to go to an empty school, yung mga tipong abandoned school, tapos you have to do some work there like a renovation. Lately, yung mga project ko is puro renovation. Kakatapos lang kasi ng mga brand new schools ko. I will have another big project, pero nasa design pa kasi. So, yan ang kinakatakutan ko. Tingnan niyo doon, no? Ang dilim-dilim. What if may mumu dyan? O, yun. Ooh, anyway, hinihintay ko yung mga consultants kasi. Doon muna ako sa labas.
Hey, how are you?
Grabe, dumating bigla yung mga consultants. So, I had to go say hi to them. Tapos na kami. Minsan nakakainis din yung mga renovation jobs. Pero, they need to be done. Small or big, we get paid to do it. So, I'll do it. Doesn't matter. Uwi na tayo ngayon. I will lock up the school, this abandoned school, and then head home. Back in the car. Pagkainit ha. So we had, meron tayong 3 consultants na dumating. Dumating yung architect, tapos yung civil engineer, at saka dumating din yung mechanical engineer. Nagtataka lang ako, wala silang dinalang electrical. Pero, I mean, I guess yung job ng electrical dito sa renovation na to ay straightforward naman. You know what? There's pros and cons to working with brand new projects versus yung mga renovations. I like them both kasi yung mga renovation napakasimple lang. Parang the projects finish on their own, hindi mo masyadong kailangang i-babysit. Pero yung mga brand new projects, you know, although they are very glamorous, malaki din sila yung team, and then so malaki yung babantayan mo. Nandito lang yung isa sa mga schools na kakatapos lang. I'll show you. We'll drive by, okay? As we're driving in, i-explain ko sa iyo, mabagal naman tayo. Itong lugar na to, to the right, yan ang future location ng mga family housing. Ibig sabihin, multifamily, meaning mga apartments and townhouses. Makes sense kasi sa kabilang road ay itong brand new elementary school. 1-year-old pa lang yan. Yan yung kakatapos lang nating ibigay sa kanila. Doon napakadaming problema ng school na yan. It's okay. Ano bang project na walang problema? Anyway, uwi na tayo. Nung nabubuhay pa yung lola ko, sabi niya sa akin, pag nag-asawa ka, you make sure meron kang sariling pera, na magtatrabaho ka. Sabi ko naman, bakit? Tapos sabi niya, alangan naman hingin mo pa sa asawa mo yung pambili mo ng panty mo, tsaka pambili mo ng makeup mo, pagka-arte-arte mo. Natatawa lang ako. Tapos alam niyo ba kung anong naisip ko ngayon? Dahil biglang sumagi sa isip ko yon. Paano na ako magiging Disney princess niyan? Nasa bahay na tayo. Alam nyo, iniiwasan ko ng mag-take ng mga videos kapag nagda-drive ako. Kasi nung a month ago, I think, I was so distracted. Gusto kong kunin yung phone ko kasi may gusto akong sabihin random sa inyo. Tapos bigla akong natamaan yung nasa harap. Hindi naman siya nasaktan, hindi din ako nasaktan. It was a slow impact. Slow impact meaning yung slowly na umaandar yung sasakyan tapos tinamaan mo yung sa harap. Yun, ganun lang. Walang nasira sa kanya, although mayroong yung sa akin, may crack yung bumper ng sasakyan ko. Kaya hindi ko na yun gagawin. Ngayon, I am home. Alam nyo ba na naboboard na ako dito sa paggawa-gawa ng mga videos na to dahil ang bagal ng growth. Kaya if you have been watching my videos for a long time and haven't considered subscribing or following, please do hit that subscribe button para alam ko naman na okay, yeah, there's growth, there's future in this channel. Para makapag-continue ko pa. Ang bagal ng growth ng YouTube, guys. Mas mabilis sa TikTok. Pero I would like to keep my YouTube kasi ito yung pinakaunang platform na lumakas ang loob ko na magsalita and talk to you guys. Back to my messy little table here sa bahay. Interesado ba kayong makita ang kalat ko? Sabihin niya, ang kalat-kalat niya. I don't care. This is the detail that I'm working on. Sa doorway, doon sa mini office na gagawin ko. Walang bintana yung mini office na yun, but that's okay. Turn it on. And we're back. Binubok ko yung mga site visits ko kapag Tuesday. This year is my break ba? Na kasi in the past 2 years, dalawa ang project ko na nasa construction. And that was a very stressful year. Tapos may dalawa pa akong seismic noon. It was a very busy year. Ngayon, yung mga project ko ngayon, they're mostly daycares. Pero meron akong isang major addition na gagawin. It's still in design. And I don't think the construction will start until next year. Something like that. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you on the next video. Have a beautiful day.